Alright everyone, your boy just bought the Note 20, so let's go ahead and unbox it. I actually just unboxed the Note 20 Ultra in that other video, so you can go watch that one. I don't know which one's coming first, but the Note 20, I'm kind of like, I'm semi-excited for this phone. The only problem is that they are pretty expensive, you know. We've kind of seen the same things with the Note 10 and everything, but the unboxing wise, I mean, you still have these standard Samsung pamphlets stuck up top. I don't know if that's like on purpose or what it is, but I always find that so funny. You just have some papers and stuff in there. Nobody really cares about that anyway. But then you have the Note 20 itself, and taking this out, I mean, you can see, I mean, it's a gorgeous phone. Now, the funny thing is their little, like, their plastic screen protector is now, like, kind of shifted away. I don't know if you can see it over the screen. You have this random hole here, but they actually took away their glass screen protector or their plastic screen protector that they usually had pre-installed. So that's not here anymore, which I'm really salty about. But looking on the back, I mean, this phone is a beautiful looking phone. Let's go and take off this plastic. So this one is totally off. I don't know what they were thinking for here because I can't even like take this one off. But that's the phone itself. It looks very beautiful. It almost is like the same exact thing as the Note 10. Let's go and power this thing on. I'll go and put it to the side as you can see. Let's go through the rest of the box. We have the, whatever this is, the little paper thing. You have the fast charger, which is cool. But interestingly enough, I don't know if the Note 20 also did this. Let's see, they probably did. This is like an empty little spot. But they took out those little headphones that they usually put in, those AKG, KG, whatever those ones were. They actually took those out. So now you just have the charger in here, which is still perfectly fine. At least it's a fast charger, which is good. But they don't have the little, the headphones that they usually put in, which were actually not that bad headphones. I'm surprised they took them out. It makes sense they took them out, to save money. But that's very, very weird. They increased the prices for something unlike the Note 20 Ultra, but they gave you less features, which is really weird. Now looking at this phone itself, I can definitely tell you the back is definitely more crazy than I thought. This definitely feels like plastic. I don't know what they were saying. It's like glassy plastic or glastic or whatever it was called. It kind of, for some reason, I don't know. I don't know why. For some reason, it kind of reminds me of that Pixel 4, like the back of the Pixel 4. Not as like rubbery, but it feels kind of like it. I don't know why. It's like so weird. Definitely compared to something like the Note 20 Ultra, I mean, this thing feels way more premium than this thing by, a landslide. So I don't know what Samsung was thinking. I find it very weird, but the back of this, I mean, $1,000 phone having a plastic back like this is crazy. I don't know what they were thinking, but it's just so crazy in my opinion. And even just holding it like this, it doesn't even feel right, to be honest. Like, it definitely feels like they were trying to cut corners and everything. And now if I just quickly go through everything, okay, I just go and click allow and accept. And then we are eventually at the phone. Okay, here we go. And the screen really isn't that bad. I mean, it's 1080p. It's going to be a pretty good panel overall. Now, unfortunately, you don't have any of the 90 hertz or 120 hertz as the, Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra has, or even the Samsung Galaxy S20 has. And I mean, right off the top, I can definitely tell you, I mean, it's a good phone. What more do you expect? Like I said before, you have the S Pen, which is really cool. So you can go and take this out and click it wherever you want to. And things like that I think are awesome. But I don't know, it's just like the screen itself could have been better. This thing could have had a micro SD card slot. This thing could have had at least a glass back. The Note 10, the previous phone, had a glass back, and I find it really weird that they did that. You know what I mean? Like when I'm holding it like this and I'm purposely messing with it, I don't know, like it doesn't feel that good. But when I feel it like this, I immediately tell like it does not feel that great. It's such an unnecessary change. You're probably gonna put a case on it. It still has good heft, but it just doesn't feel as good as something like the Note 20 Ultra. And the Note 20 Ultra feels much more premium. And I honestly don't know what they were thinking with the Note 20. So that's really pretty much it. Comparisons and full reviews and all that stuff will eventually be happening. But I kind of have to, let out some tears first, and then I'll go ahead and do those. But that's really pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys could hit that. Also, check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my second channel. More importantly, everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.